Today, I'm going to show you how to access accelerated reader titles through the library's catalog. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're ready to get started searching for accelerated reader books in the Fort Worth Public Library's catalog. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to navigate to the catalog page, which the address is right here, fwmlc.polarislibrary.com. And you might want to bookmark this for easier, quicker access in the future. Once you're here, there are a couple of different ways I'm going to show you that you can find accelerated reader information in our catalog records. So the first example I'm going to show you is you've already found a book and you need to know if it is AR and what is the level. So we're going to search for Lola at the library. Alright, so here's my title. There's Lola at the library. So now I need to go over here to where it says More Info and click there. So this is a more detailed record for this title. And then right here under Notes, we see it says Accelerated Reader LG 2.2. So this means that for the Accelerated Reader program, this book is considered lower grade interest level, which means it's going to be of interest to students in kinder up to about second grade. The 2.2 is the reading level assigned through the Accelerated Reader program. 0.5 is the points value for a successful quiz. And then that 6-digit number that comes after is actually the quiz number. So that is available to you as well. So that is the first way to find accelerated reader information in our catalog. But let's say you don't know what books you're looking for, you just have a level. So you can go up here to the advanced search. And if you'll remember from Lola's record, it was under Notes. So we're going to click General Notes for the field we want to search and start typing in Accelerated Reader. And you'll see there's already some searches that you can just click and go. So when I search for AR books that are lower grade interest level and a 3.2 reading level, I get all kinds of titles here. Just over 1,000 results. So if you would like to go through those 1,096 results, you are more than welcome to. But please know that we also have limiters or filters over here on the left-hand side. So let's say you wanted something pretty new. You can limit by publication date. Or let's say you have a specific subject that you're really interested in. Maybe you like humorous stories, because who doesn't? Then you can click there and it'll give you out here in parentheses the number of results that you'll see whenever you apply that limiter. And so now, instead of just over 1,000 titles to look through, I have 51, and they're all going to be something that'll make me laugh. So that's one way to filter a search. And so the next thing I wanted to show you guys was most of the time we're not looking for just one level. We're looking for a range of reading levels. And so you cannot enter a range in a single search field, unfortunately. But we can come over here and create a new search field and choose OR and add additional levels that we would like to search for. So I'm going to put in 3 different levels to get a good range here. So now I'm looking for books that are either 3.2, 3.0, or 3.5 reading level. And so now I get over 3,000 results of books that are on these levels. And again, your limiters are off to the side here, so you can narrow that search down to be a little bit more specific to what your reader is looking for. Those are very helpful. They will be your best friend because we have a lot of titles in our collections and we have accelerated reader information in the records for the majority of them. And so I'm going to look at this first one here. And this book is a 3.5, which was part of my search. You can also modify your search here. So LG is lower grade. You can also put in MG, M as in Mary. So that stands for middle grade. So those are going to be our slightly older elementary students up to middle school. And again, that refers to interest levels. So you might have a student who is not a middle school reader, but that is their interest level. And that is how you search. And so I encourage you to kind of play around with this, get comfortable with this. This is a really great tool to use through the Fort Worth Public Library to expand your accelerated reader selections. And I hope that you will use this, and happy reading.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I hope you'll start using what you learned right away. Also, be sure to check out even more resources from your Fort Worth Public Library by visiting fortworthlibrary.org.